Assalamu alaikum dosto. Welcome to the Kalakar TV. My name is Irfan Ali and today I will teach you about what is computer hardware. Computer hardware is all parts of computer include keyboard, mouse, computer case and monitor. It is also collected by computer parts those are inside the computer case such as hard disk, RAM, hard disk drive, power supply and other main parts. Computer hardware is what we can say that those parts of computer which we can touch and see. All the input devices such as mouse, keyboard, scanner are these computer hardware, and all the output devices like printer, speaker and monitor. It is also called, we can say that these parts of computer as hardware. These are called hardware of computer, and other you can also say that those parts which are collected in storage, those parts also called as computer hardware. कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर एक ऐसी चीज है कंप्यूटर का, ऐसा एक पुर्जा जिसको हम टच कर सकें, देख सकें। उसमें सारे पुर्जे आ जाते हैं जो कंप्यूटर को इनपुट देते हैं, जो कंप्यूटर का आउटपुट दिखाते हैं, हमें कंप्यूटर की जो रिजल्ट देते हैं, और प्रोसेसिंग के जो भी पुर्जे हैं या टूल्स हैं वो सारे जो हैं कंप्यूटर के हार्डवेयर कहलाते हैं। थैंक यू।